May I come in, sir?
Yes, please.
Good afternoon, sir.
Right, so you need to be very calm and composed once more.
May I come in, sir?
Yes, please.
Thank you so much, sir.
Excuse me, sir. May I come in, please? Otherwise,
May I come in, sir?
yes, please.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, please.
May I come in, sir?
Yes,
Thank you, sir.
you are welcome. Right, Mr. Harshit, right?
Yes, sir.
प्लीज। हॉस्पिटैलिटी इंडस्ट्री में जाने के लिए 3 ऐसी चाबियां बताइए जो इंसान के पास जरूर होनी चाहिए।
You don't interact personally with peoples on that airline.
You cannot interact personally.
No, sir.
So if you fall for someone, you will not interact. You feel for
Agar,
someone.
if, sir, I fall with cabin crew member is air hostess, then I will. May I come in, sir?
Yes, please.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
May I sit, sir?
No, you are rushing. You need to be little composed and calm when you just enter. It should not be very rush, right? So you need to be very calm and composed once more.
May I come in, sir?
Yes, please.
Thank you so much, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. All right, Mr. Yash, right?
Yes, sir.
It has gone well. सही है. A little bit of improvement we can do that by. Excuse me, sir. May I come in, please? Otherwise. May I come in, sir? Thank you, sir. Now, never close your door like this, right? But you did good job. So always close your door, moving your body front, and then you will close like this, right? You have closed the door. If the seat is closed, then you can say, good morning, sir, right? If the seat is far, you will go to the seat, right? Good morning, sir. Smile on your face and you say good morning, right? Like that. Once more, try.
Once more. Okay, sir.
Yes, please.
Excuse me, sir. Can I may I come in, sir?
गड़बड़ हो गया।
Yeah.
इसको बोलते हैं कॉन्शियस होना।
Excuse me, may I come in, sir?
Yes, please.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Mr. Yash, right?
Yes, sir.
Please have a seat.
Thank you so much, sir.
You're welcome.
May I come in, sir?
Yes, please.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, sir.
गुड मॉर्निंग। अभी आपका जो गुड मॉर्निंग आ रहा है वो बॉडी के मोमेंट में आ रहा है। जैसे बॉडी मूव कर रही है और गुड मॉर्निंग आ गया, दिस इज रॉन्ग। पूरा स्टैंड हो जाना है फिर गुड मॉर्निंग बोलना।
Okay.
जैसे आप मूव कर रहे हैं, गुड मॉर्निंग सर, अब आ गए खड़े हो गए, गुड मॉर्निंग सर, वंस मोर।
वो मॉल बिल हो जाता है बिल्डिंग के और
Excuse me, sir. May I come in, sir?
यस प्लीज।
तो यहाँ पे
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, right? You forgot one thing,
Yeah.
just thanksgiving. It's a light note. You can give a thanks, right? It's very important. Any thought, anyway.
Well, sir, like thanks and that time or this time?
No, because at that time, what will be there? Like, you have just thanked for giving the entry. And now,
Okay.
now you say good morning, sir. Now, because अब आप यहाँ से वहाँ तक चल के जाएंगे तो वो थैंक लेट हो जाएगा।
Okay.
थैंक इंसान कब देता है? जैसे अरे थोड़ा पानी पकड़ाना, जैसे पानी हाथ से टच हुआ थैंक यू,
Okay.
राइट? तो जैसे दरवाज़ा खुला थैंक यू, अब दरवाज़ा खोल के वहाँ जाके खड़े होके थैंक यू बोलेंगे तो वो
Later.
चला गया पॉइंट। यस प्लीज।
May I come in, sir?
यस,
Thank you, sir.
you are welcome. Right, Mr. Harshit, right?
Yes, sir.
Please.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Mr. Harshit, right. Please have a seat. Be seated.
Thank you, sir.
What is lavatory?
Lavatory is, sir, it's a toilet, it's a restroom. And generally we call to the toilet at our home and the washroom at the office. But in the plane, we call to the lavatory.
Okay. Why should I select you?
Sir, because because my communication skills is so much best. I am a teamwork person and I am a confidence person and I have a 6-month experience of customer handle. I was working as a office corporator in a Livser company in Meerut and there 28 to 30 engineers were working under than me. So and I always handle to the customer. I always call them. I always I know the problem solving professionally. So and I always communicate with anyone easily without taking any pressure, and always I feel ensure the safe to the customer, and I know how to give the outstanding service to the customer.
So you think that you are so much best?
Yes, sir.
So much best?
Yeah, I'm so much best.
Do you think that it's a grammatically correct sentence? I'm better, I'm good. If
Yeah.
you're calling yourself so much best, and if you're calling yourself best, it means you are very self-obsessed and you're giving compliment to yourself. You cannot call yourself best and perfect, because nobody is the best, nobody is perfect. And you believe that you are perfect and you are best, it's a wrong sentence.
Okay.
अगर आप अपने आप को सबसे अच्छा मानते हैं तो फिर आप अच्छा किसको मानते हैं?
No, sir, there is lots of so many persons who are best than me, but
So
I'm
many
learning.
people who are best than me. फिर अगर वो आपसे अच्छे हो गए तो फिर आप अच्छे क्यों? फिर मैं उनको चुनूं, आपको क्यों चुनूं?
But they are already working there.
They are already working there, so
Yeah.
they are better than you.
They are our senior, like a senior cabin crew. In the plane, we always, if we are handling any situation and it is out of handle from others, from us, so we will always communicate with our senior cabin crew member.
All right, I'll be back to you. Just pass the mic to Mr. So introduce yourself.
First of all, thank you, sir, giving me wonderful opportunity to me in front of you. My name is Ranjan and I am from Bihar, but I am currently living Mahipalpur, Delhi. I have completed 12th class Bihar board with science stream, and recently I take admission BA and pursuing BSc. And there are 5 members in my family, including me, and my strength are team leading and solve difficult situation, and my hobbies are playing cricket and listening music. That's it.
Who is your favorite singer?
In my native language Bhojpuri, so I
Bhojpuri.
follow Pawan Singh.
Who is that?
Pawan Singh.
All right, sing a song of him. Any Bhojpuri lyrics? Any song lyrics you remember?
Sorry, sir, that time.
I say, for example, if I have to say, where are you going? So how can I say in Bhojpuri?
कहाँ जाए कबा?
कहाँ जाएगा बा?
हाँ, इधर से ना कि
I'm saying, where are you going? So how can I translate into Bhojpuri?
कहाँ जा रहा था? कहाँ जात बड़ा?
कहाँ जात बाड़ा?
हाँ,
कहाँ जात बाड़ा? If that's a girl, if that's a lady,
कहाँ जात बड़ो?
कहाँ जात बाड़ो?
Yeah,
And if I say कहाँ जात हुआ, so is it okay?
yeah.
कहाँ जात हुआ?
कहाँ जात हो sir? Sometimes both are used, girls, female, male. कहाँ जात बहुआ? Yeah.
कहाँ जात हुआ?
हाँ,
और तो क्या करत हुआ तो? यहाँ क्या करत हुआ?
पढ़ाई,
हाँ?
पढ़ाई.
पूरा बोला?
अभी यहाँ पढ़ाई करते बनी.
पढ़ाई करत बाने.
हाँ,
और कैसा लगल बा पढ़ाई करत के?
पढ़ाई करके अच्छा लगा था.
ठीक है. So do you think that you really deserve to be a cabin crew member? Yeah, you really deserve to be in hospitality industry. आप hospitality में अच्छा कर पाएंगे?
Of course, sir, I will try and improve my communication skill and personality.
हॉस्पिटैलिटी इंडस्ट्री में जाने के लिए 3 ऐसी चाबियां बताइए जो इंसान के पास ज़रूर होनी चाहिए.
Sir, communication skill first of all, and personality, and difficult situation to handling.
Alright, we need to handle difficult situation.
Situation, yeah.
I am giving you a difficult situation. मैं आपको difficult situation दे रहा हूँ.
Yeah.
अगर आप सर्व कर रहे हैं एयरपोर्ट पे या तो एरोप्लेन के अंदर, ऑन देयर इज अ रैट, एक चूहा निकल आता है. अब चूहा भाग रहा है इधर से उधर, उधर से इधर. अब आप हैंडल कर रहे हैं, क्या करोगे आप? आप कह रहे हैं कि आई कैन हैंडल डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन, और मैं आपको एकदम इजी सिचुएशन दे रहा हूँ. चूहा निकल आया है,
बाहर निकालेंगे उसे.
कैसे निकालेगा?
सर, झाड़ू से उसको बाहर निकालेंगे देखते हुए.
आपको लगता है चूहा इतना कमज़ोर है, झाड़ू से निकल जाएगा?
निकल जाएगा.
भाग रहा है इधर उधर.
कोई ना, देखेंगे, फॉलो करेंगे उसे, फिर उसको निकालेंगे बाहर.
आप जिस हिसाब से इसका जवाब दे रहे हैं, आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि आप घर पे चूहा निकला हुआ है, फ्लाइट में चूहा निकला है, एयरपोर्ट पे चूहा निकला है. आप कह रहे कोई बात नहीं, देख लूँगा. ये जवाब घर के लिए ठीक है, लेकिन आप एक एयरपोर्ट पे एक फ़्लाइट में सर्व कर रहे हैं, तो ये जवाब सही नहीं है. कोई बात नहीं, वो देख लेंगे। देख नहीं, आप करेंगे क्या? क्योंकि देख तो सभी रहे, आपको करना है। 300 पैसेंजर आपकी फ्लाइट में बैठ के देख ही रहे होंगे चूहे को। आप एक ऐसे इंसान हैं जो आपको करना है। क्या करेंगे? क्या करें? बिरयानी बना देंगे?
नहीं नहीं।
अरे अब देखिए, सबसे पहली बात नॉर्मल है कि फ्लाइट में चूहे नहीं आते हैं, लेकिन फिर भी मैं आपको सिचुएशन ज़बरदस्ती फोर्स कर रहा हूँ कि अगर ऐसा हुआ तब आपका यहाँ दिमाग काम करना चाहिए। आप सही है कि झाड़ू से निकाल देंगे कहीं से, तो आप सिंपल सी बात है कि हम सब मिल के उसको, इफ़ वी कैन कैच इट समवेयर, किसी भी तरीके से उसको कैच करके और उसको एग्जिट कराएंगे, या उसको जो है एक जो है बॉक्स में, किसी सेफ बॉक्स में रख देंगे। जब फ्लाइट लैंड होगी तो हम जाके उसको ज़मीन पे छोड़ देंगे। अब इसमें भी दो तरीके का जवाब है। एक जवाब ये है कि पकड़ेंगे, कुचल देंगे, मार देंगे, तुरंत मर जाएगा। इस पे आपके बारे में वो जान जाएगा इंटरव्यूअर कि आप मारने धाड़ने वाले हैं। पकड़ेंगे, एक बॉक्स में रखेंगे, सेफ रखेंगे। जब फ्लाइट लैंड होगी तो तब जाके उस चूहे को वहाँ पे छोड़ देंगे। चूहा भी बच गया, पैसेंजर भी ठीक ठाक है और फ्लाइट भी लैंड हो गई। ये जवाब है। दिस इज द आंसर। ओके, सो टेल मी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, हाउ इज योर कम्युनिकेशन स्किल?
Sir, little bit good, but
नॉट वेरी गुड।
yeah.
यू आर सर्विंग एट एयरपोर्ट, आप एयरपोर्ट पे सर्व कर रहे हैं फ्लाइट में, और अ ब्यूटीफुल गर्ल कम्स, एक खूबसूरत लड़की आती है, एंड आस्क योर कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर। आई नीड योर कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर। क्या करेंगे आप?
Sir, first of all, I say sorry.
वाई सॉरी? ब्यूटीफुल लड़की है, मांग रही है नंबर, दे दो उठा के।
No, I'm not interested.
वाई? क्यों? यू आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन गर्ल्स, यू आर इंटरेस्टेड
Yeah.
इन बॉयज।
No, no.
हाँ,
Sir, focus on your goal and working time, but not distract girls या females.
अब इसका एक प्रॉपर जवाब होना चाहिए। आई एम बाउंड टू माई ड्यूटी,
Yeah.
I cannot do personal things here. I'm not allowed to share my personal number to you, man. If you need any query, any support system, you take our toll free number, customer care number. But I'm so sorry for my personal number. Right?
Yeah, yeah.
अगर आप पर्सनल खेलने लगे वहाँ पे, डिपार्टमेंट तक बात पहुँचेगी, मामला ऐसा जा रहा है, वो आपको फायर कर देंगे, निकाल देंगे।
Fire कर देंगे।
राइट? तो आपको ड्यूटी की बड़ी इज्जत और सम्मान करना है, और उसका जवाब भी वैसे ही निकलना चाहिए। ओके, सो टेल मी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, टेल मी 2 टाइप्स ऑफ फ्लाइट्स। 2 तरीके की फ्लाइट बता दीजिए मुझे।
Domestic, international.
ओके, अगर 2 और तरीके की बतानी हो?
Private jet and
फिर वो तो फ्लाइट नहीं हुई ना। प्राइवेट जेट इज नॉट अ फ्लाइट, और फ्लाइट प्लेन, इट्स अ प्लेन।
plane. Yes.
No problem. Okay. Suppose if I am asking 10 lakhs rupees right now from you, मैं आपसे 10 लाख रुपए मांग रहा हूँ, and I want to give you the job, मैं आपको जॉब देना चाहता हूँ। Give me 10 lakhs, I will give you the job.
I have no money 10 lakhs.
No
So,
money.
Yeah. So
आपका ये मतलब है कि अगर आपके पास पैसा होता तो आप दे देते। आपका जवाब हो रहा है I have no money, so I cannot give. इसका मतलब अगर आपके
No,
पास
sir,
पैसा होता तो
in-
नौकरी के लिए आप 10 लाख दे देते। You are ready to pay money, आप पैसा देने के लिए तैयार हैं।
no. Sir, I ask you, I say in front to me and say 10, give me 10 rupees and give a job. That time I say I have not money and I am sorry, I not achieve your job.
You will deny the job.
Yeah.
आप जॉब डिनाई कर देंगे।
Yeah.
Okay. Why will you deny the job? Because you don't have money, or you don't want to pay money?
Sir, you want to pay money.
I don't want to pay money. आप क्या बोलेंगे? I don't want to
don't-
pay
yeah.
money. I am here with my capabilities,
Capability.
not with the money.
Money.
Okay, I'll be back to you. Pass the mic to Harshit. All right. So please introduce yourself.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
My name is Harshit Mehra. I'm from Delhi. I have completed my graduation degree from Indira Gandhi International University. I am a 23 years old person. In my family, I have 4 members, my father, my sister, and including me. If I talk about my skills are I am a self-motivated person and a disciplined and a hard-working person. If I want to talk about my achievements, I have play backside role in Colors TV. That is a Shiv Shakti serial in 2024, and my short-term goal is to become a cabin crew member in aviation industry, and my long-term is aim to become a senior citizens cabin crew member in international flight with good salary package. Thank you, sir.
Alright, that's a very good thing. You told, आपने बताया आपकी skills है हार्ड वर्किंग, डिसिप्लिन.
Yes, sir.
ये आपका नेचर है, ये आपका बिहेवियर है, ये आपकी स्ट्रेंथ है, बट ये स्किल्स नहीं है.
Skills.
These are not skill. What is skill? Skill मतलब कुशलता.
Kushalta.
And what is कुशलता? जैसे communication, it's a skill, soft skill. Public speaking is a soft skill. Leadership skill. जिस चीज से आप कुछ कर पा रहे हैं या किसी की लाइफ में कुछ कर ला पा रहे हैं, दैट इज अ स्किल. वो है स्किल. आप अपने टाइम टेबल फॉलो कर रहे हैं, वो स्किल नहीं है. दैट इज योर स्ट्रेंथ.
Strength.
Right. Okay. Now I want to understand that you told that you are disciplined, right?
Yes, sir.
So discipline means you maintain your schedule and timetable. Very good.
Sir,
नहीं देखिए, अब आपको पर्सनल नहीं जाना है, जवाब तगड़ा रखना है.
hey,
जवाब मैं आपको पर्सनली जानता हूँ, तो आपको वो नहीं सोचना है.
अच्छा,
आपको जवाब तगड़ा रखिए. यस.
sir, maybe I'm sometime became disciplined in my timetable, but sometime some problem is create, then I will not discipline my timetable in some
बट
days.
यहाँ पे आपको क्या रखना है, अब जैसे आपको ये लग रहा है कि अब्दुल्ला सर तो मुझे जानते हैं,
जी,
मैं एक आध दो बार लेट हो गया, तो मैं जवाब ऑनेस्ट वाला दे दूँ.
honest.
वहाँ तो आपको रखना है ना कि आई एम डिसिप्लिन. यस, आई फॉलो माई पंक्चुअलिटी, आई फॉलो माई टाइम टेबल.
I follow.
यस सर, आई फॉलो माई शेड्यूल्स. अब उसके बाद सवाल आएगा, व्हेन डू यू वेक अप? जागते कब हैं आप?
Sir, I have wake up at the 4:30 a.m.
4:30 AM.
Yes, sir.
Alright, when do you sleep?
Sir, I go back to sleep at 1 a.m.
1 AM. You sleep at 1 AM and you wake up at 4:30 AM.
because sir, I want to go stadium in 5 a.m. 5,
5 AM.
Eh,
Stadium for what?
sir, for running and physical exercise.
For running and physical exercise. How many kilometers do you run?
Sir, not a daily. In a week, three days, I ran 2 kilometers.
You run 2 kilometers.
Yeah.
Alright, that is fine. Mr. Harshit, why should I believe in you? मैं आप पे यकीन क्यों करूं? विश्वास क्यों करूं?
Sir, actually, I am a honest person. I don't trust, I don't break any trust of the people. If you believe me, sir, I will maintain my trust and I will maintain my honest value.
So you think that you are honest and you are abide by or you abide by the trust
Yes, sir.
and the promises.
Yes, sir.
What was the last promise you made to someone? आखिरी वादा आपने किससे और क्या किया था?
Sir, in last time I made a promise from someone that actually I have not target my aim in Colors TV because that a person I have living together, he was always tell me that please bro, I don't want to stay here, I want to go my home. Then I went my family. I want to say to my father, I have promised to you in 2016 I want to become a cabin crew member in aviation industry, and I will do very hard working for.
You will work hard and you will achieve it.
Yes, sir.
You think that you can achieve it, right?
Yes, sir.
Are you 100% sure?
Yes, sir.
All right. What 3 potentials you have that you think that these 3 potentials will lead you to be a cabin crew member?
Gaining a more and more English skills for speaking with customer service very well. Second, I have developing day by day more my personality. I will do regular exercise, physical fitness, maintain my body. And sir, third is I have stay calm because sometimes I target that customer, he became that time such situation is create that became very angry. That's why I handle to them.
एक कस्टमर ने आपके ऊपर बड़ा भद्दा सा कमेंट कर दिया, बहुत झकझोर दिया
Yes, sir.
कि यार ये तो लड़की दिख रहा है,
Yes, sir.
ये जो है कैबिन क्रू मेंबर जो है सामने लड़की दिख रहा है.
Sir, me.
हाँ, आपको ऐसा कमेंट कर दिया, आपका क्या जवाब होगा, क्या करेंगे आप?
Sir, actually on this time I wear my uniform. I only respect
इसका मतलब फ्लाइट लैंड होने के बाद आप उसको
this
देखेंगे.
customer. I have said, okay, sir, sorry. if you
फ्लाइट लैंड हो जाएगी तो उसका तो कुछ तो करेंगे आप.
then sir, then I will talk to that person. So
फिर क्यों बात करेंगे? वो अपनी मंजिल, आप अपनी मंजिल. इसका मतलब आप दुश्मनी निकालेंगे, आप कहीं ना
no
कहीं
sir,
उसको
no sir, no
पकड़ेंगे.
sir. I am apologize for this. Answer my answer. I
क्या
only,
आप उससे वजह जानना चाहेंगे? Would you like to know the reason that why he is calling you कि आप लड़की दिख रहे हैं?
no sir. On that time, I am not want to asking that question. Why you should said to me this?
Okay. So you will ignore it
Yes sir.
or you will accept it?
Yes. No no sir. I am not accepted.
Huh.
I ignore him.
I will ignore it.
Yes sir.
All right. That is fine. If somebody is asking asking a glass of water 10 times within 1.5 hours, 1.5 घंटे की जर्नी में एक इंसान 10 बार पानी मांग रहा है आपसे, 10वीं बार मांगा हुआ है.
Yes sir.
What will you do?
Sir, I have given, if he sir born to me 20 times, I will give him 20 times because sir, it's my duty.
Very good. That's
It's my duty,
amazing.
sir.
Or if a beautiful girl is asking your contact number,
Sir, no sir,
ये तो
that
दिल की
time
बात
I
बोल
will not contact my number because sir,
हाँ?
it's a policy of the airline. You don't interact personally with peoples on that airline.
You cannot interact personally.
No sir.
So if you fall for someone, you will not interact. You feel for
Agar,
someone.
if sir I fall with cabin crew member is air hostess, then I will.
Means you have
person.
planned to fall.
No sir. No sir, no sir.
No? You don't have any plan. Okay. So do you have a plan to purchase or start your own airline? क्या आपका ऐसा प्लान है कि आपको खुद की एयरलाइन शुरू करनी है?
No sir, on this time I have no plans.
You have no plan like
Yes,
this.
sir.
All right. What are the two interesting things that fascinates you in the hospitality industry or aviation industry?
Sir, actually I am not about the hospitality industry. I am only known about the aviation industry.
So aviation is a type of hospitality.
Yes. Sir.
Aviation is a type of hospitality. So what two things are there that fascinates you to join aviation?
Sir, mainly if two things I have connected with saying to you that sir, firstly, I speaking skill.
No. I'm not asking what will allow you to go there. What two things are there कि यार इसकी वजह से I want to join this. ये वजह है जिसकी वजह से मैं एविएशन ज्वाइन करना चाहता हूँ.
Because sir, in that time I was in my 11th class. I went firstly with flight with Goa. I realized that it's a feel luxurious to me when I sat on aeroplane. So I want to join because of this. Sir, I want to घूमने को क्या कहते हैं?
You want to explore.
हाँ, I want to explore around the world.
आपको ऐसा
in
नहीं
the
लगता कि आप हवा में वेटर बनना चाहते हैं?
Sir, actually the cabin crew member is a kind of a waiter.
Yes. So you want to be a waiter.
Sir, yes sir, I want to be better, but I want to become a cabin crew member, sir. It's okay to me.
Very good answer. That's a very interesting. Do you think that being a cabin crew member you can explore the world, or being a businessman you can explore the world?
Sir, being a cabin crew member is more explore the world.
Okay.
Instead of I said to businessman.
Okay.
Because sir, sometimes businessmen deal with monthly in a 2 times, 3 times go around the world for his business meeting. But the cabin crew members have daily to opportunity to
Visit other
visit
countries,
the
other
another
states.
country, like international, like domestic. this
So do you
kind.
want to join domestic flight or international flight?
Sir, firstly I want to join domestic flight.
Okay.
Then after I want to join international.
First of all, you want to travel Bihar, Uttar Pradesh and all.
No sir, I want to travel Mumbai, sir.
Mumbai.
Yes.
So you want to go Mumbai. By which airline?
Sir, which airline then I became a cabin crew member, which I joined.
So which airline, for which airline you are giving your
Sir, I
interview
want to
today?
be, sir, in my opinion, I want to be in a Emirates, sir.
Emirates.
Yes, sir.
But Emirates is international.
International, sir.
Yes.
It's a international, but
So how will you go from Delhi to Mumbai? By Indigo, Vistara, Jet Airways?
yes, sir.
Alright?
Sir, if I want to go with Mumbai, I can set like a passenger, going with my passenger.
So, but as a cabin crew member, you want to join only Emirates.
Akasa, Emirates, sir.
Emirates. and you want to be international cabin
Yes,
crew member
yes,
then?
sir.
No domestic?
Yes, sir. Sir, it's my opportunity, na sir. I've directly gone into the international. If I selected in the interview in
All right,
international
that is
flight.
fine. Who can make an announcement here? Any kind of announcement that you know or you remember that you can make here? All right, please make it. Stand up and make it. Have the mic. Yes, make any kind of announcement.
So good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am a senior cabin crew. I am Yash Rastogi from, and you are traveling in our plane, which the name of the plane is 378 airline, and we want to announce, we want to tell you our flight, our flight will land after an hour. So please fasten your seat belt and enjoy your ride.
That is absolutely fine. You tried well, very good, but fumbling is there. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Vistara. Yeah. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Qatar Airways. Qatar Airways, right now. And my name is Abdullah. I'm your senior cabin crew member. So this flight journey is going to be very, very special, and this will cover 2.5 hours journey. Within 2.5 hours, we'll be landing in Qatar airport, and I hope that this journey is going to be safe, secure, and healthy, ladies and gentlemen. If you face any problem, any issue, and if you need anything, you just remember me. The ring bell is there. You just, ring the bell. I'll be available for you. You need water, snacks, or anything. I'm there to help you. Thank you so much. Have a safe flight. Okay. So you need that frequency.
Yes, sir.
Right. That frequency needs to be maintained. मतलब वो एक जो ऐसे जो टोन होगी ना वो ऐसे जाएगी टोन. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Vistara. ऐसे जाएंगे. अब हम क्या कर रहे हैं? Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Vistara. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Vistara. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm your host and host for today. My name is Abdullah. I welcome you in this flight. This flight journey is going to be for 3 hours. So today we'll be taking off at 2.40 and after that we'll be landing at 5.40. So I hope that this journey is going to be more fascinating. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. अब ऐसे करके थोड़ा उसको डाउन टोन में ले जाना है.
Okay, sir.
Okay? And anyone else? That any announcement that you have? अभी सबसे पहले हमें काम करना है अपनी इंग्लिश कम्युनिकेशन पर.
Yeah.
जिस लहजे में आप लोग बोल रहे हैं इसमें तो ग्राउंड स्टाफ का भी इंटरव्यू नहीं होना है. हकीकत तो देखो यही है. तो हमें सबसे पहले अपने कॉन्फिडेंस और फ्लुएंसी पे और इंग्लिश पे काम करना है. वी हैव टू वर्क ऑन ऑल दिस. And if we work on this, we can crack it. It's easy for us. Baki, we have the God-gifted personality and amazing personality, right?
Thank you, sir.
So we'll see you next time, and next time we hope that we will do better.
Okay, sir.
Thank you very much. Have a good day.